Nobody wants to struggle with the disease of obesity. Most people struggling with obesity spend a great deal of time and energy trying to get and keep the weight off. We understand this. The disease of obesity is complicated and multifactorial. Most importantly, it's disease. It has nothing to do with morality or willpower. At Heartland Weight Loss, we treat patients with excess weight using evidence-based medicine every day. It's what we do. We provide individualized treatment, and we provide it without judgment or bias. We treat our patients with dignity because that's what they deserve. Treatment isn't always easy. There may be hiccups and setbacks, but that occurs with every disease. We are here to help you and support you as you journey through the process. A typical new patient visit at Heartland Weight Loss starts with being met by our front desk specialist. Once checked in, one of our medical assistants will take you back, where you will have your vitals taken. In addition to blood pressure and heart rate, we also measure your waist circumference and perform a body composition analysis. We perform these monthly in order to determine how much body fat versus lean mass you have and how those numbers are changing. Healthy, sustainable weight loss means losing primarily body fat. Since we are focused on weight and health, we need to make sure you are losing the right things. Once your intake is completed, you will be shown to one of our exam rooms, where you will meet with one of our obesity specialists. After reviewing your history and digging in, you and your clinician will outline a treatment plan. At the end of the visit, you will walk out with a lot of information and tools to help you succeed. You've got this.